Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your Bank of America appointment. So there is two methods by which you can easily cancel your appointment. That is, first the method, that is, you can visit on schedule an appointment page, and once you are on this page you need to log in into your account, and once you log in into your account you can manage your appointment very easily if you are not a technical person, and if you are facing any issue in your by using your internet and all. So in that case, what you have to do, you need to call on this number. As you can see on your screen, this is the phone number, and you need to dial this number. And as you can see over here, you can see like this one, this is the number. And once you dial this number, and once you get connected with the customer support team, you can tell them that you wish to cancel your appointment with Bank of America representative and all. So they can cancel your appointment, and they will ask you some questions related to your appointment, and they can cancel your appointment very easily. So this is the best and easiest method to cancel your appointment with Bank of America. Okay, so if you're facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.